Hi guys, I was waiting for this package for 6 months. This is a Souldoll. This is my second grail doll. If the grail doll obviously can be a second, but my first grail doll was Souldoll B sculpt, and this is Souldoll Fafner sculpt, and they both gorgeous, and I hope that she is what I'm expecting. I think I waited long enough for it, and I deserve some something positive out of this lengthy wait. It's arrived today after I paid the custom fees, which were £23, which is not too bad. Sometimes it's more. I don't know what it depends on. Okay, so that's it. And if you are aware, Souldoll currently have got an event and they're discontinuing all their sculpts, well, most of their sculpts, I would say, and then changing the ordering system totally. So I believe that after September you will be no longer able to buy just the standard non-limited dolls, and they will just do the like a order. Well, basically they're just gonna run the orders on a particular time of the year, I understood. I might be wrong because the way they explain it on their site is not very clear what they actually mean. But yeah, if you was in the process of thinking getting something from Souldoll, do it now, because after September it might be too late. So currently they haven't had sale, and I already ordered two another my sculpts which I was really looking to buy, and luckily I can get them now. So it's a bit of an update about the Souldoll. I consider this is one of my favorite companies, even I don't really like the bodies, I mean the articulation of the body, but this doll on a new Souldoll body, MSD size body. And I will do a separate video to compare the two, the old double body and this new one. Fingers crossed this one is better. Okay, so it's quite a big box for MSD doll. Usually Vitos arrive in a box like that, which are between MSD and SDs. Oh, they have changed the pattern on the bag, Dewey bag, the protective bag. That's definitely something new. Ah, that's so cool. I like the style, it's quite modern. So we get lovely bows in here. I can see her face already. I did ask Souldoll to apply the face up as close as possible to the original promo picture, and I know they're quite good with it usually. So okay, just yeah, so she's MSD size from the kids range Fafner. So looking forward to this doll. Okay, there is no present. Sometimes Souldoll actually give you some extras when you have to wait longer than 6 months, but I think I just waited 6 months exactly, so that's why I received nothing extra. Anyway, this is a new body, as I said, and it looks very different, I would say, to the previous one. I think she's taller as well. and the hand gesture is different, and this time I can say straight away she got the wrist ball, because the old body hasn't got. Anyway, like I said, I'll do the detailed comparison between the two bodies, but I can see that this one is more well, I like it more really than the old one. Yeah, so that's my gorgeous Fafner. I mean, she's perfect. That's what I was expecting. Obviously, the promo pictures always they use the professional lighting and they use the appropriate background, so it looks slightly different. But this is perfect. Obviously, I'll change her eyes because Souldoll tend to put some strange looking eyes into the dolls. But I mean, it's free, so I guess it's okay. I'm just checking quickly the articulation, and the hands, interesting, they actually are almost identical, and the gestures are the same, which I'm not sure I'm happy about, because obviously it's nice to have variation, but that's not a problem. I'll probably swap it with I've got Doll Chateau articulated hands. They might fit this wrist bow quite well. So yeah, that's the lady, and like I said, if you're looking to buy Souldoll, do it now, because some scalps, or most of them, are going to be discontinued, and it's a good time to get something what you want now. I'm just showing you the seam line. So if we look at her head cap, so it says Fafner, Fafner JH. Who's JH? Is it an artist initials? I'm not sure. But Souldoll is always immaculate about their eye putty. The way they apply it is just really good. And their face-up artist is pretty amazing. Just perfect. I know some people don't like rouge, but I love blushes in real life, and I apply quite a lot, and clearly she is really looking quite gorgeous with that. I'm not sure, but this body does remind me an Apple House. MSD bodies, this area. But luckily, I'm so pleased about this. It hasn't got this stupid mechanism when you actually string between the legs and here, rather than go through the whole of the body. Yeah, it's got a proper one. I'm so pleased about that. So far, so good. I'm really pleased, and about her articulation as well. I mean, not the articulation exactly, but I mean about her joints so far. I don't know what they're gonna be like, but seems different to the old one. So I have inserted the different eyes. I made this eyes actually, and I made the dress and jewelry and bits and bobs. Actually, especially for her, she's on she's more than standard body MSD. She's taller than my previous Souldoll Yun Beam, but as I said, I will compare them later. But that's this lady, and I'm really pleased about her. She is beautiful. That's just how I was imagining her. I'm waiting for another dolly. Oh, another two. Yeah, I'm waiting for another two dolls to come. And see you then. Bye.